This isn't a debate anymore.
It's in the room.
It's like, this is now.
We spend $1.7 trillion on food in the United States. We spend $1.9 trillion on healthcare costs of poor nutrition.
We are going to do soil to sell real time. We're starting at first principle. Human outcomes is the objective. That's the economy.
The farmers are absolutely willing to produce what the consumers want. And the consumers are starting to catch on to the fact that they have the agency
Yes.
to take this on. What we in between need to do is figure out how to connect those business cases together. Evolution says, system A, this is what's good for you. Business says, system B, this is how we scale. And then we merge that together in system C, where we're able to both take a business model that works, that gives you that scale and reduces the cost, and the technology that says this is on an end-of-one basis what's good for you.
Everybody go off for as long as you need, come up with the use case, and then come back in, and we're going to actually try and make it happen. We did that around access last time.
Inputs for farmers, primarily sustainable inputs. We should create biological products not just because they were better for the planet, but also because they had a really beneficial impact on the plants that they were used on and also the people who were consuming them. What we seem to be missing is something to really help pull through that demand. Some sort of mechanism, some sort of marketing program, whatever it may be, to help effectively incentivize consumers for purchasing produce that was grown with inputs like ours or like other biological products that actually do have a direct impact on the health of the soil, the nutritional density of the plant, and ultimately provide more beneficial outcomes for the consumer.
In 2020, we launched Project Food Box in partnership with the United States Department of Agriculture to bring healthy food to food banks, faith-based organizations, community-based organizations, really to create that connection between local farmers and their communities. What we've come to realize after executing these programs over the last several years is what we really need to get to and where we really think the industry's going is getting to that ROI. And like Yuri said, follow the money. We're really interested, and our ask is to work with different organizations. We are working on some nutrient density stuff, so curious to talk to the nutrient density folks here.
Everybody in this room has the ability to create the reusable rocket together. Like, that's what I want to see this group do, is instead of just we get excited in this room and say, well, there's no money to do it. And I kind of vehemently disagree, because I think there is money to do it, but we have to be creative. But we can. I mean, and tomorrow in track 2, we've got the right people in that room. And we're going to tell that story of how we get to the point of it becoming hard to make a bad decision in the grocery store by 2050.